Hey guys, and welcome to another review by smallscalemodels.co.uk. And today we're going to be reviewing the Hot Wheels 2019 Kia Stinger GT from the factory fresh range. Okay, so let's start by having a look, and this one's a beautiful grey primer colour with some great detailing on the side there, as you can see. Great detailing on the door handles, fantastic looking wheels on this car actually, great colour, like a graphite grey, lovely detailing there, and matches the actual vehicle. Looking underneath, we've got some good detailing on there. We've got the front end, we've got the engine cover, or the underneath the engine cover. And the back end there, we've got a bit of detailing just there, so exhaust boxes, looking at that. So let's go around to the back end of the car. What I really like about this is the fact that we've got some really good detailing around the back lights. We've got the registration plate, and in this instance it's got Stinger on it. We've got the Kia sign on the back there, which is good. So yeah, good detailing there. We've got the roof, and on the roof we've got the shark fin, the panoramic windscreen, so up and over with the glass, bit tinted on this one, so that's quite nice. Looking at the front end, we've got the vents on the bonnet, we've got the Kia badge detailing on the front there as well, which is really nice. And you know what, this front bumper is fantastic, in its with the grills and the air intakes. Looks really mean, and then we've got the detailing on the front lights, which is a really good addition. So yeah, again, another great model from Hot Wheels, and don't forget, like and subscribe.